Fireflies, there's a one.
Okay.
Let's try again.
Very good. Try again.
Excellent.
Wow.
This is the number 2. Trace the number 2 and collect fireflies.
Fireflies, there's a two.
Excellent.
Excellent.
Okay, one more time. Well done. This is the number 3. Trace the number 3 and collect firefly. It's easy. Try again.
Ma, fireflies, there's a three.
Yes.
Nice work.
Nice work,
Nice
though.
work, though. Up here. Give me 5.
Let's try again. Well done. Hey, you're getting the hang of it. This is the number 4. Trace the number 4 and collect fireflies.
Fireflies, there's a four.
Nice work.
Do you see the fireflies?
Here it is.
Can you count them?
Excellent.
Oh.
This is the number 5. Trace the number 5 and collect fireflies.
Fireflies, there's a five, Ma.
Excellent.
Wow.
You rock. This is the number 6. Trace the number 6 and collect fireflies.
Fireflies, there's a six, Ma.
Do you like
Excellent.
fireflies? Do you like
Fireflies.
fireflies? I'm sorry.
You rock.
You rock.
Almost there. Trace the numbers you haven't traced yet to fill the This is the number 7. Trace the number. Let's try again.
Ma, fireflies, there's a seven.
You rock. Excellent.
Excellent.
This is the number 8. Trace the number 8 and collect fireflies.
Fireflies, there's a eight.
Excellent. Try again. Okay, one more time.
Careful. Go, 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 go.
It's easy. Try again.
Try again. Connect the fireflies. Very good. You're doing it.
Good job.
Good job.
This is the number 9. Trace the... Let's try again. Let's try again. Oops. Good job.
Ooh.
Let's try again. Well done. This is the number 10. Trace the number 10 and collect fireflies.
Fireflies, there's a ten, Ma.
Okay, one more time. Nice work.
Wow.
Oops. Okay, one more time. Great! Congratulations, your jar is full. Would you like to open it?
Oh, you open, man. You open it. Oops. Wow. What's that, man?
Little orders, there's a letters.